Welcome students. Now we are learning about the alcohol and phenol. See, alcohols are very useful in our daily routine. See, generally alcohol is used in a petrol, okay, and it is an ethanol. So 5% ethanol is used in a petrol. Second is a cholesterol. So this cholesterol is an important thing in our blood. Okay, so due to this cholesterol, our blood becomes thick. Third is a mint. In mint, menthol compound is present. So due to its specific smell, mint is very useful, and this is the structure of menthol. Next is an anti-freezing liquid, and this is a ethylene glycol. It has a structure CH2OH-CH2OH. See, all the compounds are alcohol which are used in our daily, and there are several compounds which are used in our daily routine. So let's start. See, this RH is an alkane, okay, and if this hydrogen is removed by and OH is added, so that we are getting ROH, okay, and this ROH is known as an alcohol. Similarly, if we take aromatic hydrocarbon, so this aromatic hydrocarbon is generally benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, etc. Okay, so here also hydrogen is removed and OH is added, so that we are getting phenol. Okay, so these are the preparation of alcohol and phenol. See, next. Now we are taking the classification of alcohols. See, first classification is based on the number of OH, that is hydroxyl groups. Number 1, monohydric. Number 2, dihydric. Number 3, trihydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohol means there is only one OH group is present in the compound. Second, dihydric means there are two OH group and the name of the substance is ethane 1,2-diol. Third is propane 1,2,3-triol. See, this is a glycerol. Okay, and generally in cosmetics this glycerol is used. Next is the classification of phenol. Here also based on the number of OH groups. See, number 1 is a monohydric phenol, dihydric and trihydric phenols. In monohydric phenol, there is only one OH is present. In dihydric, there are two OH are present, and in trihydric, there are three OH are present. Okay, so name is first has name of phenol, another is benzene 1,2-diol. Its common name is catechol, and third is 1,2,4-benzene triol, and it is a trihydric phenol. Okay, next is an aromatic alcohols. See, first is here 2-phenyl ethanol. See, OH containing carbon is given the first number, and on second number there is this phenyl group, so it is known as 2-phenyl ethanol. Similarly, next is phenyl methanol. See, these compounds are not phenol because OH is not attached to the carbon which is from benzene ring. Means if OH is attached to the carbon of benzene ring, then these compounds are known as phenol. So these compounds are aromatic alcohols, not phenols. Okay, remember this. Next. Now see this, an important tip. Alcohols containing more than one OH group linked to the same carbon atom are highly unstable, and generally these compounds have tendency to lose water molecule and to form the more stable aldehydes and ketones. See, consider this reaction. See, in this reaction, first of all, this OH is removed, and from another OH, hydrogen is removed to give this water molecule, and then there is a double bond is created between this carbon atom and this oxygen atom, and we are getting an aldehyde. Similarly, if we take propane 2,2-diol, so this compound is also unstable, okay, and to get stability OH is removed, and from another OH only hydrogen is removed, and we are getting this water molecule, and there is a double bond is created between them, so we are getting here ketone. Now consider this reaction. See, in this reaction OH is removed, H is removed, and we are getting carboxylic acid. Okay, so the name of the product is ethanoic acid. Next one. Now we are considering the compounds containing carbon, which is sp3 hybridized, and the OH. See, such alcohols are classified into three types. Number 1, primary alcohol. Number 2, secondary alcohol. Number 3, tertiary alcohol. See, here OH, here consider these three compounds. Now this OH containing this carbon is attached with only one carbon atom. So such compound is known as primary alcohol. Consider second. Here OH containing carbon is attached with two carbon atoms. So this is a secondary alcohol. Next is OH containing carbon is attached with 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. Okay, so this one is tertiary. So now we can easily identify which is a primary, which is a secondary, which is a tertiary alcohol. Okay, OH containing, here see, OH containing carbon is attached with one carbon atom, so it's a primary. OH containing carbon is attached with two carbon atoms, and secondary. And OH containing carbon atom is attached with 3 other carbon atoms, so it's a tertiary butyl group, and name of the compound, this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol. Now consider the another example, that is allylic alcohols. See, allylic alcohol means in such alcohols the OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this carbon atom is attached with carbon-carbon double bond system. Consider the following examples. See, first example is of primary allylic. Primary allylic means OH containing carbon is attached with only one carbon atom, and that is a carbon-carbon double bond system. Another is known as secondary allylic. See why. Again here OH containing carbon is attached with two carbon atoms, and amongst these two carbon atoms one has a carbon-carbon double bond system. Similarly, third is a tertiary allylic, means OH containing carbon is attached with 3 carbon atoms, so this is a tertiary allylic. Next we are taking benzylic alcohols. In such alcohols OH containing carbon has sp3 hybridization, and it is attached with the aromatic ring. Here also there are 3 examples: primary, secondary and tertiary benzylic. See the example, OH containing carbon is attached with one carbon atom. Similarly, next OH containing carbon is attached with 2 carbon atoms. Third is OH containing carbon is attached with 3 carbon atoms. So benzylic alcohols has total 3 types: first primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, next, now we are considering the compounds containing carbon which is sp2 hybridized and OH containing compounds. See, such alcohols contain OH group attached to the carbon-carbon double bond system to a vinylic carbon. Vinylic means carbon-carbon double bond containing systems. So vinylic alcohols and the phenols belong to this class of compounds. See, first is a vinyl alcohol. So remember, this group is known as a vinyl group and it is attached with OH. Next is a phenol. Third is a 2-methyl phenol. Okay, next. Now we are taking the nomenclature of alcohols and phenols. See, here in the common system, alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. In IUPAC system, the names of the saturated alcohols are derived from the corresponding alkanes by replacing E of the alkane by ol. So the general name is alkanol. Okay, and the IUPAC names of few members of this class are given in the table. Now you have to remember this table. Okay, now we are taking some typical examples. Now consider these 4 compounds. In first compound, generally we will try to give the least number or the first number to the carbon atom which is attached with this OH group. See, in first example, OH containing carbon is given the first number, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now on second carbon atom there are 2 methyl groups. That's why the name of the substance will be 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol. Consider the second example. Here OH containing carbon is given the least number, so numbering will start from right to left. So 1, 2, 3. Now see, if we consider this fourth carbon atom, so we will get in longest chain there will be 4 carbon atoms, but here as a branch there is a ethyl group, so we will give the fourth and fifth number to the carbon atom of this ethyl group. Okay, so the name of the substance will be 3,3-dimethyl pentane 2-ol. Next, again OH containing carbon is given the first number, second and then third. So, and on second carbon atom there is a double bond, that's why the name of substance will be prop 2-ene, because on second carbon there is a double bond, so that means alkene, and on first carbon atom there is a OH, so name of the substance is prop 2-ene 1-ol, and common name of this substance is allyl alcohol. Third example, OH containing carbon is given the least number, first, second, third and fourth, and the name of substance is 3-methyl butane 2-ol. Next, again OH containing carbon is given the first number, then on second there are 2 methyl groups, on third there is 1 methyl group, then fourth and fifth. So name of the substance is 2,2,3-trimethyl pentane 1-ol. Now in IUPAC system, dihydric alcohols are named as alkandiols and trihydric alcohols are named as alkane triols. Now consider these 2 examples. In first compound there are 2 OH groups. Okay, so name of the substance will be ethane 1,2-diol. See how one number will be given to anyone and then second to another one. So name of the substance will be ethane 1,2-diol and it is ethylene glycol. And we have studied earlier that this ethylene glycol is used as an anti-freezing agent and as a coolant in a radiator of the 4-wheelers. Okay, next, OH containing carbon is given first, second and third. So there are 3 atoms of carbon, then the name of the substance will be propane, and then on first, second and third carbon atom there are 3 OH groups, so name of the substance will be propane 1,2,3-triol, and the common name is a glycerol, and this glycerol is used in cosmetics and many household things. Okay, next, cyclic alcohols are named using the prefix cyclo and considering the OH group attached to the carbon atom. So consider these 4 substances. First is cyclohexanol, second is 2,5-dimethyl cyclopentanol, third is 3-methyl cyclohexanol, and fourth is a 2-bromocyclopentanol. Okay, and all are so much easy. Next, the simplest hydroxyl derivative of benzene is phenol, and which is also its accepted IUPAC name. Now the phenols are named as derivatives of phenol. Consider the following substances. First is a phenol, another is 3-chlorophenol, and the third is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, and its common name is a picric acid. Methyl phenols are known as crasols. See, first is a 2-methyl phenol, that is a orthocrasol, 4-methyl phenol paracrasol, and 3-methyl phenol metacrasol. Fourth is a 2,6-dimethyl phenol. Okay, next. Some dihydric and trihydric phenols: benzene 1,2-diol catechol, benzene 1,3-diol resorcinol, and benzene 1,4-diol quinol or hydroquinone. And next examples are given to you. First is a pyrogalol, that is benzene 1,2,3-triol. Next is a benzene 1,2,4-triol, that is hydroxyquinol, and third is benzene 1,3,5-triol. It's a fluoroglucinol.